You're doomed to fail if you don't know the ins and outs of making money online. Have you always dreamed of making money online? A lot of people are doing it right now. There are many opportunities on the internet which you can take advantage of. This video will show you what you should look out for when searching for that golden opportunity to make money. Even though you may be able to make money online regularly, keeping physical records of your work and earnings is still important. Print out the data from a well-maintained spreadsheet or keep a notebook by your computer. Keep accurate and up-to-date information that you will later need for tax purposes, to verify income or just for your own purposes. Data can be lost all too easily online. You can make money online by playing games. FarmGold is a great site that you can log into and play fun games during the course of the day in your spare time. There are many games that you can choose from to make this a profitable and fun experience. Affiliate marketing is one of the best ways that you can make money online in your spare time. This type of marketing means that you will sell other people's stuff and get paid a commission when you do. There are all types of items that you can sell depending on your style. You must have a provable identity to work online. A lot of places ask for your identification prior to working for them. Create digital copies of all ID right away. Tutoring is a great way to make money. This means that e-teaching is an option for a person who wishes to do work from home. You just need to know a lot about a specific topic. If you are good at what you do, you may find that other opportunities present themselves. Figure out how much you are looking to make before you begin. For example, I don't want to work for less than $15 per hour, otherwise spending time with my family or completing chores would be more worthwhile to me. What is your worth? Once you determine it, stick to your guns. One good way to make money online is by writing blog posts or videos. There are a few sites such as Helium and Associated Content that will pay for blog posts and videos that you write. You can earn up to $200 for videos on topics they are looking for. There are several sites that pay you for giving your opinion about an upcoming court case. These sites ask you to watch through the material that will be presented at a legal proceeding and give your opinion on whether the defendant is guilty or not. The amount of pay will depend on the amount of time it will take to watch through the material. If you are dedicated to making money online, you should be following blogs on the topic. You need to spend 20% of your time learning about the online market and 80% working through it. Blogs are a great way to find out about new opportunities or beneficial tips and tricks. There are many opportunities for online tutors in subjects ranging from mathematics to language. Possible students are many and varied. You might teach your native language to people living in other countries via VoIP. Another possibility is to tutor school children, high schoolers or college students in a subject in which you specialize. You can work with an online tutoring agency or set up your own website to begin. One good way to make online is by becoming an affiliate to a reputable company. As an affiliate, you get a percentage of any sales that you refer people to make. If you are marketing a popular product, and customers are clicking through your link to make a purchase, you can earn a tidy commission. Think about affiliate marketing for online income. With a working website or blog, you can attach affiliate links both in your content and through banners. These links will pay you each time one of your viewers clicks through. With the right affiliates, these links can lead to great dividends if you supply enough traffic. Beware of scammers who are trying to sell you what they claim is a foolproof way to earn money on the web. A lot of times, they require you to pay money in advance before they tell you what the opportunity is. Frequently, they offer nothing more than generic information on how to set up your own business and marketing techniques. If you plan on making serious money online, make sure you've got the right equipment for the job. There's nothing more frustrating than trying to complete a job and your internet times out, or is so slow that you miss a bid or other opportunity. Have the necessary equipment and make sure your software is up to date too. How can you turn your real-life job into a second income online? If you are a carpenter by trade, you could sell instructions, blueprints, or kits online for projects like a shed or deck. If you are a graphic designer, moonlight as a contractor and sell your skills online. If you want to do something creative, consider ways to create viral videos. Brainstorm ideas that you think are rip-riotously hilarious, then start putting them into action. Post them on YouTube, turn on ads and, if they work, watch the money start rolling in. Learn about marketing to see how you can get them even more popular. One of the top ways that you can earn money online is by reselling items on eBay. Many people shy away from using eBay because they have heard bad rumors, but it truly allows you to unload things you don't want and earn quite a bit of money. If you don't have anything to sell, you can visit yard sales and thrift shops to sell things online. You can see that making money online is very possible. You just need good information to point you in the right way. Just remember that you will need to put in time and effort on it. Nothing will be handed to you on a silver platter. However, if you put in the effort, you will reap your rewards.